Growth of national education. The Swadeshi and the boycott movement shook the very foundation of the British Empire in India. Students participated in this movement in a big way. Many students were expelled from their schools and colleges. Circular after circular was issued to different schools and colleges to take severe disciplinary action against such students who were found taking part in the Swadeshi and the boycott movement. Such actions on the part of the authorities forced the students to boycott the Calcutta University. At such a critical juncture, many eminent persons of Bengal got together and held a conference on 10th November 1905. In this conference, they decided to establish a National Council of Education in order to organize a system of education on national lines. Within no time, a huge amount was collected and the National Council of Education was set up. Many national schools and colleges were founded. According to an estimate, by 1908, the number of secondary schools grew to 25 and primary national schools to 300. The expelled students and teachers who were forced to resign were absorbed and adjusted in these national schools. In its session of 1906, the Bengal Provincial Conference endorsed the idea of establishing national schools throughout the country. The Indian National Congress in its Calcutta session of 1906 also approved the resolution of opening national institutions throughout the country. In moving the revolution, Hirendranath Datta said, "Swadeshism is a three-faced goddess. The one face or aspect of the goddess is political, the second face is industrial, and last but not the least is the educational." Thus, in 1905, with the Swadeshi and the boycott movement, the national education also became a part and parcel of the national movement.